is up, friends? My name is Laura. If you've never visited my YouTube channel before, welcome. I am coming to you from Point Reyes, California. I am doing the legendary Alamere Falls. I'm super excited because this has been on my bucket list for a while and somehow I just haven't made my way over here, but today I'm doing it. It should be just under 14 miles, just under 2,000 feet of elevation, so should get a good day in. It's a little bit drizzly right now, so I'm gonna keep my rain jacket on, but honestly, it looks really clear. Like I could see the ocean coming in here, and it's only 7:30 a.m., so fingers crossed for a good day. Let's get started. I think I'm basically all ready to go. Got kind of a smaller backpack. Alright, and there is a nice map here, which is super cool. I'll be passing these. I'm gonna take a picture of this just so I also have it on my phone. Awesome, let's do this. See there at the parking lot. I am here like a weekday, starting here around 7:30. All the reviews said to get here fairly early. There was tons of parking, lots of restrooms, like 4 restrooms. Didn't have an issue at all, but I could see kind of on a weekend, and as this trail gets more and more popular, which I think it will because it's so pretty here, and then it's about 30 minutes from the little city of Point Reyes Station. Alright, I'm finally way too hot with this. It's been lovely out, but time to take off. To this pretty lake here, which is what I saw in the reviews, which is really nice because it's just over 3 miles away. Good place for a break. So the reviews said there's nowhere to sit and enjoy it though. That is incredibly correct. this hike today. As you sit watching me from your computer or phone, give it a quick like. I would very much appreciate it. So that will be when we actually get to the beach. And then from there, I believe you take a hard left and then walk along the beach for 1 mile. If you enjoy backpacking, you technically can camp right basically here on the ocean, kind of at the ocean, 1 mile from Alamere Falls. I know that they are quite difficult to get permits for. Each person would need their own permit, so I have not looked into it very extensively, but I have checked a couple of times and none were available. Not a big deal to me, but of course you can do it as a day hike like I am, and you do not need a permit in any way for that. I can see it there. I'm so close. Before I start heading back, kind of just sitting here right beside the waterfall. It's very peaceful and very nice. I have seen so few people on this hike and I have the waterfall to myself, so it's really, really nice. I will show you a few more pictures of this beautiful area, this beautiful waterfall, and then I will wrap this video up and show you or tell you a few additional things. Alright, I am nearing the end of the trail, this end of this hike. It totally was awesome, and you can see I'm a little bit more sweaty than on the way down, so there definitely is more elevation on your way back. I honestly thought that the waterfall would be flowing harder. I do think that that's this time of year. I'm here in late July. With that said, like honestly, the journey to the waterfall itself was like even prettier than I was expecting by like a lot. It was so pretty. As you're able to see, you kind of were going over to the cliffs, getting some ocean views, getting a lot of like shade in the beautiful trees, so many like pretty nature sounds too, and then of course you're able to see some cool animals along the way. I was actually surprised at probably over half the people that were doing this hike today. It wasn't very busy, but we're for sure backpackers, so definitely is more popular to do this in a 2-day hike. But it is fairly kind of general, except for the last half mile to actually get to the beach. It is just fairly easier hiking, and the terrain's really nice. It's not dog friendly, so you will have to leave your furry pups at home. But I 10 out of 10 would recommend coming and checking out this trail if you are at all in the San Francisco Bay Area. It's about, I'd say, 40 minutes north of San Francisco. So even if you're heading to Napa or this way at all, going on Highway 1, will somewhat be on your way. So you totally should check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Keep living life. Bye.